Here we have some project data, the activities, their start dates and duration. As you can see, it is ordered by date and the task number goes in the same order. So the earliest to the latest here. Now Gantt chart will show us when the activity starts and how long it goes on, when it ends, and it will show that visually so that we can compare the various activities and their progress as per the data entered. So if there are any changes in the data, it will reflect in that Gantt chart as well. Let us see how to make it. We go in insert, bar, stacked 2D bar. Now we right click and go in select data. We have to make a custom table. So let us see what to add here. Here is where we will start. We will add the first series. So click on this. We'll take the name from here and this will be the set of start dates. So this is the start date as the name and the values that will go into this are here. So now we are showing the start dates, but we also want to show the duration. So that is another series we must add here. As you can see, using the stacked bar chart, we have shown that the start date comes till here and the remaining is the duration. Let us click OK here. Here there is still one problem. These are just listed as a set of values 1 to 10. It is an automatic numbering. But I want it to be the list of tasks. So how do we add that here? Let's see again. We go in select data and this horizontal category is what we must edit. And the label, the range will come from here. You can close this now. This is shown in the wrong order. I want to go from task 1 to 10, from earlier to later. And so I'll have to reverse the order of this axis. We'll click anywhere, right click on that and format axis. In its general options, we'll have this option, categories in reverse order. We click this and close it. Now this order has reversed. So now we have the tasks going from 1 to 10 and we can see how it has progressed. But we do not need this blue area. How can we remove this? We just want to see this duration of the task. So we'll right click here, go in format the data series, fill and make it no fill. Now this looks like a good Gantt chart. We can see all the comparative progresses of each activity. There is just one problem here. The activities are starting from this date. But this has gone back till 5/12/2020. How do we remove this? How do we start the graph right from here? We will go once again in formatting the axis, this time for the date. And we'll fix the date here as the minimum. You'll see the minimum option here. We make it fixed. But we do not know what the value should be here because this is the general date format. And our format here is in the date format. So we'll need to convert the first date given here into general format so that we can type that here. We'll go back out. The start date, the first date that we need in general format is read as 44206. Now again I'll go into the axis, we format it. The minimum will be a fixed value of 44206. Now we will click on close, and once again let us reverse this format to the date format. We can remove the extra labels now. Click on this and delete it. We may change the colors and its appearance. You can make a lot of changes to make it look better. What if I change the duration here? Make this just 2 days. You can see the change coming up here. So as a project manager, we may need to continuously make changes, and it will keep showing up here. Suppose task 9 gets delayed, and now it starts from 8th. So shifted here. So these changes will keep reflecting in the Gantt chart.